So we got this falcon or a hawk over here. It's teaching its babies how to fly. So there it is right there, flying. And the babies are watching it fly, and they're calling back and forth to the mother of the bird. But those are the babies that it's raised, as you can hear them calling right now. They don't know how to fly yet. They're all the way up in this tree here. But that's what's going on. That's what I'm watching right now. They're about, there he goes. Oh, he's getting ready to fly. He is totally getting ready to fly. And then, damn, here comes a helicopter. Goddamn helicopter. Disturbing the peace over here, bud. They're getting ready to fly right now, these two birds. They can't fly yet. They're talking back and forth. He's like, I'm fucking about to go. He's about to go. He feels that wind blowing right now. He's about to fucking go. So wherever Mom went, she'll be back here in a second. She's just flying around. They was up there. They're up there getting ready to learn how to fly. That's why that tree looks like that up there, dead. Those are two almost full adult grown, either a hawk or a falcon. But she might be watching, she's probably watching me right now because she just flew over. I just had, it could be an eagle. Could be, oh, there he goes. He's flying. He took the risk. Here he's calling out. He said, yay. Now he flew off. He went back over here. They're going back and forth. But that's where they live. I guarantee you they live in that tree there. But he flew back over there. He spotted the mother. So now that he spotted the mother bird, he took off, took the chance on flying over to her. They're calling back and forth over there right now. Back and forth off behind these trees. Now he's up there, putting his head down. See, they're calling back and forth right now. You gonna do it? Oh yeah, I'm fucking gonna do it. Here they come. Here they come back this way. Look, behind me. Holy cow. He didn't make it. He took a sharp turn. He didn't make it. He's trying to provoke this one here. He's trying to provoke him on jumping off of this top of this here. He's like, I'm not going. Wind's not sharp enough out here. I could fall. All the way up there. He's looking. See him put his head down? He's saying that he's not ready. Saying that he's not ready to go. He put his head down. He's putting his head down. See if I probably not hold my camera still, not looking at it for very long. But I think the rules is if he don't bring his ass on, You know. Look at him. Maybe he's up there. Look at he's doing something. That's as far as my iPhone camera's gonna go. He ain't ready. He ain't ready. Here they come. Somebody's back here. He's looking. He's scoping his wings out. He's looking under his wings. He just ain't gonna go. He just ain't gonna go. There's no wind right now. The wind is almost now it's picking back up. He's either gonna go when there's no wind, or he's gonna go when there's a lot of wind. Right now, he's just picking the wind up. Oh. Chasing the wind, baby. Yeah, they went back and forth between these trees over here waiting on this one to move. He probably ain't gonna do it. Oh, there's one of them landed right there. Trying to get, he's lost eye contact. See him calling? There he goes calling. He's calling, he's seen something. He just landed right here. That, oh, see, he's calling back and forth. Oh, there's mom. There goes mom right there. She's like, what the hell's going on, dude? Uh-oh, he's jumped. He's jumped. He's flying. Oh, man. Or was that mom? One of them. Oh, there he goes. Another helicopter, too. Fuck out of here, helicopter. Oh, I hear bird watching. Listen to him calling back and forth. He's still over there in that. Yep, there's mom right there. Flying back in. Where's she going? She's like, get the fuck off of the fucking pot. Get off the fucking pot. There's another one. He's behind me. I just seen him fly over. I just seen him fly over behind me. Seen the shadow of it. Maybe he moved from there. Maybe that was... I know one of them's right in that fucking tree right there. I just seen him fucking land. Maybe, is that him right there? Oh, it's a big old butterfly or something. There he is. There's one. That must be mom right there. That must be mom. She must be trying to teach him about territorials. Because now they're flying back that way. She is. He's flying back over all that. Saying, look at all the lizards over here to eat. On these railroad tracks, we got all these lizards over here to eat in these railroad tracks. And these guys is up there just watching. Who the hell was that? See him jump. There it went again. Oh, heck. That wasn't it. Jump, motherfucker. You can't see no fucking lizard from up there. Jump, motherfucker. She's back here trying to show him visually flying back and forth between over here and there. I'll give it a few more minutes and then I'm going back in the house. That was another pair. Ain't the same one. So I mean, there's probably several units of them out here. But that wasn't. They don't have anything to do with them two right there on top of that perch. I'll wait a few more minutes to see what happens. Oh, and then we got this fucking helicopter back here flying back by. Fuck car show over there. Now you can't hear. They can't hear shit. This fucking helicopter. I bet they eat good though, because they look to be pretty fucking smart. I bet they're eating good though. I see lots and lots of big old fat lizards out here. They're probably eating really good. Come on, jump, motherfucker. Bitch ass motherfucker, jump. Jump, boy. Jump, boy. Uh-oh. What was that? Somebody's like, shut up. They might have circled back on you and flew around. Flew all the way around. Look. They don't know. That's why he's climbing up there. Oh, here it is. It's probably who it is. She probably snuck back, flew down these railroad tracks, flew all the way back around this area. From back over there, she probably flew all the way back around, hiding in these bushes, unspottable by them two fellas up there. Come on, jump, motherfucker. Jump. Come on, motherfucker, jump. Maybe she went to get something to eat. He's looking at me. He's looking at me right now. Oh, he's looking over here. He's like, that's that motherfucker right there. Keeps on fucking doing that. Keeps on doing that. Oh, we'll see it here in probably 6 or 7 minutes. See, he's shuffling up there. I think they might be still talking about fucking why haven't you went and jumped off yet, you fucking chump. That motherfucker sitting over there going, I done flown around this whole motherfucker. And you ain't even jumped off of there yet. That's probably what they're talking about. I don't think that was... It might be, though. It might have been out of that other pod there. Or maybe they're just all visual right now, eyeballing each other. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it short. We got some good footage of it, though. I don't know what kind of birds they are. You better jump then, motherfucker. Come on. Bitch ass motherfucker. Jump.